Hey guys, welcome back. So, I've got 120 litres of free veg oil I need to go pick up. So I've managed to get myself this little trailer. I've got an old crate, which is from my neighbour. They use it for putting slabs down, well, they had slabs delivered for a patio. So I'm going to screw this down so I can put straps on it, chuck it in the back of the car, because the van's not going to pass an MOT for a little while yet. And then I can go get the veg oil. Big shout out to Community Kev. Stickers are in the post for you fella. Check out his channel. I'll link it below. Kev, I think you like this one because it's all about recycling. Right then, let's get this thing screwed down. That's annoying. I packed my visor, my drill. I forgot. Forgot my angle grinder. Right, let's see what tools are here. Is there a saw? Luckily, I only live 5 doors away. So it's quicker to go get it than it was to try and find a saw. Always use protection. Now, it took me longer to get the grinder than it did do the work. Right, let's go get some oil. Right, that's our little trailer hooked up. Let's go get some oil.
So I'm just watching you. Will you get it off?
Sounds all right. You're stronger than me, you have to lift it off. The question is, how much do we need?
Couple of drips here and there. It's not too bad. Nah, I don't think we lost much at all.
There's ropes maybe.
No bad.
Ooh, get dizzy.
So yeah, what's the plan for getting them back off?
You're going to lift them.
All right then.
Because if we lift it up to this corner, we can lift it down.
Yeah. You haven't got
was it?
Yes, it was.
Right, hopefully we should be able to just get it. Bring it down onto the fire, right? Right, stick to the floor. Oh, that's right. You don't want to touch it. It's big in. I just picked up 120 litres of veg oil for free. Because the van runs it. So free fuel. And 130 quid worth of diesel.
But it is sticky.
It smells nice. I'm starving. Yeah.
I reckon. So to make life easier on ourselves, we're just leaving that one on there and taking the whole thing down the corner. Yes. We don't need to take that one off yet.
Yeah, but when we take this off, it's going to tip forward.
Oh.
So we need to take it off, unfortunately.
You were going to say that. Can I just lift it from the inside?
No.
Right.
It's going to be really oily.
Yeah, but I'll be able to hold it and I'll be able to lift it up. Okay, stick that there. And I can grab this a down side better.
Oh. Right. Okay, you're going to have to climb around here now.
Okay. I'm not most. Watch that bit.
You can get it down into the split now. Yeah.
Not convinced.
Oh, no. It's not watching, so.
Oh no, don't. It's not.
No, no. There we are, guys. 120 litres of veg oil safely home. Let me open this so you can see it. If I can do it with one hand. Right then. Yeah. It's about 40 litres in there. It's a bit grim, but let's put this back on. And then in here, the same in there again. That's a bit grim, but it'll all filtered out. Then we got a bit of slop in there. 20 litres of engine oil, fresh engine oil there, and then another, looks like 10 or 15 litres of oil in that one there. So, just got to get that processed. Right guys, I'm grim, I'm covered in oil, I need to go have a shower. I'll deal with this another day. And don't forget, if you're enjoying what we're doing, please do like and subscribe. Oh, and a shout out to Ali Mac Mechanical as well. Stickers in the post for you, fella. Guys, I'll put Ali Mac Mechanical's link down in the bottom. Check his channel out, and don't forget Community Kev as well. Cheers all, and I will see you soon.